Hey everybody, Centenia here, and I've recently learned something. Birds can be really annoying. So last Wednesday, I was recording some lines, and there was a bird chirping outside my window. It wasn't loud enough to be picked up by the mic, but it was loud enough to make me lose my train of thought, which, being a scatterbrain, it happens a lot, and needless to say, I began to get a bit angry at the bird, and, well, this happened. Bird, shut the fuck up. Hey, bird, do you freaking mind? I'm trying to record here. Hey, get out from under there. I see you. I see you. Yeah, get out of here. That was me hitting my window. And I noticed there were several. And then this happened. Oh, there's a whole family of you out there. We ain't having that. I literally took one step out the door and yelled for no reason, just to get the birds away, and came back inside to go back to recording. Well, they all came back and annoyed me while I was recording. So even in the end, birds are dicks. Bye-bye.